Alright, so once again, we are back in the car. This is usually how my trips to Columbus go. I spend a lot of time in the car. In the evening, we usually chill out at Karen's house, but we're not typically here during the summer. Anyhow, figured I'd get in the car. I'm gonna do my best to go to the waterfall. Right now, it's 1 o'clock. So if I can get to the waterfall by 1:20, 1:30, I can get there, walk down super quick. I need to come back here. This is another 20-25 minute drive. Pick up Karen so that we can go back to her school because I think Karen wants to ride with me. It's a beautiful day, it's super hot. Normally I would have my hair down, but I feel like I've looked like poo in every other vlog, so I wanted to show you the magic of makeup. Hey. I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna head to the waterfall. Like I said, I only really need 20 minutes at it to get some good footage. I'm gonna leave there by 1:55, no later, so that I can get back on the road and get to Ezzie. Thing about this waterfall is the fact that it's literally off a main busy road. So the fact that this is literally a hidden treasure is so amazing to me. This chicken wire didn't used to be here. There used to be a cutout in it and you could get down over to here. But I guess they decided they didn't want people in there. However, when we come, we just climb over the railing. There's steps. You can step on those things, so it's not really that big of a deal. There's actually some big rocks right here. During prom time, there'll be a lot of kids down here taking pictures at prom. Also, I haven't figured this part out, but evidently at the parking lot, instead of turning left to the stairs, you can get up there. Evidently there's a way to walk on the top of the waterfall, and we've actually seen people jump from way up there. I wouldn't do it. We've climbed up the rocks. Oh look, there's somebody sitting in a hammock. Alright, so we made it to the waterfall. Yay! I'm so excited. So now we had enough time to come to the waterfall. Back on the path to go back to the car. See you at the top.
Dish, deep dish. Sorry, Carol.
Oh, girl.
The day starts like the rest we've seen. Another carbon copy of an old routine.
Days keep coming,
One out, one in. They keep coming.
And make that coffee strong enough to chew.
I don't know what I wish I had, but there's no time now for thinking things like that. We got too much to do, too much to do. All these same things, we're always opening up, letting it down. Over a cup, we'll say hello. How you been? Looking around, seeing the same things every day brings. Hello, how you been? Thank you, come again. Some things never change.
I wouldn't call this place a happy end, but I've been round the block, I just came back again. A small town like ours ain't much, but sometimes home is where your ass ends up.
Order up.
Noxie! Where's Noxie? Here's a boy. Hi. You want to go outside? All right, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Noxie, go potty. Go potty. Honey, you've been inside all day. I'm going to leave you out there. No. Go play. Go play. That didn't last long. He just wanted to go out and potty. Oh, you got your bone. What if I put some peanut butter in it? You want to put some peanut butter in it? Shut this door. Hey, Noxie. Ah. All right, so just put peanut butter in his bone. Nox, you want a cookie? Come here. Noxie. Look here. Come on, you want a cookie? Come here. Here you go. Smell it. Smell it. Why are you running away? He said, I don't want to be on the camera. Nox, did you do something bad? Did you do something bad? Here, Nox, you want a cookie? Here you go, look. Look, look. Here. What's the matter? There's the famous Nicky with his back to us. Look at me, Nick. Just say hello. He's so cute, isn't he? He's just gonna be shy. That's just how he is. Is that coffee hot or cold?
It's cold. Point of Grace Massey.
I said I saw Grace Massey today.
Oh, wow, cool. So exciting.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm tired. I'm always tired.
Well, I'm glad you're out of the basement because I need to do laundry and I've been like trying to stay out of the basement until you were up or gone. All right, say bye, Nick.
Goodbye.
All right, I'm only recording this because I don't understand what's happening down right there. That's freaking weird. That's so. Oh, it's this. It's the. Oh, Amir and I are on our way to go see the honeybee. Ooh, I can't wait to see her. She was not. What instrument did she play? Clarinet. 4, 4, 5. Yeah. Bella! Ezzie! She's gonna ignore me. Mine's right there. She's about to walk up the steps. Which one? The one with a bun. Oh, okay, okay. This is really meaning to sing. I'm gonna have to edit that part out because she will not like that. Yeah, the one that's on the end. She's the one right on the end of the flute.
And if you are so inspired and love the music this evening, we would also appreciate your support in going to high school. But I also wanted to welcome the new PTA president.
I feel like I'm watching a cartoon. This is a fun song.
Check out this bottle of wine. Oh my god. It's just, look, put it to your head. It's as big as your head. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
Okay, so I just got finished crying. I leaned over to put my wine glass on the cement, and I lost my balance and fell forward and used this hand. And since I didn't have my brace on, I literally bent my hand all the way back. I just need a restart to this day. I mean, it's been a pretty good day, but that really hurt. Now I've got black eyes from crying. Karen, what'd you tell me about your brace? What'd you tell me? Wear my brace. Don't take them off except to shower. And the thing is, the doctor didn't even give me these braces. If you see, this is black.
I wasn't afraid to do anything.
You what?
I wasn't afraid to do anything because, let me see if I can find one of my hard ones.
But I absolutely love this one. But believe it or not, it was $30 freaking. We did buy it at Walgreens, maybe been cheaper at Walmart or, you know, Meijer, but oh my god, I literally just bent it all the way back and fell over almost on my face. This really hurts.
Yo, what I'm doing today, absolutely jack, as you can see. My hair's a mess, I'm a mess. Wearing my robe, kind of Hugh Hefnering it up. Yeah, a little plaid thing. I'm wearing my Pillsbury Doughboy pants. Just kind of sitting around, watching the cats fight, drinking my coffee, having a, you know, just relaxing today. Playing my video games. There you go, playing my video games. I love my TV, just got it. Hope everybody's doing good, and this is me on my day off when nobody's home to tell me to do something else. All right, y'all have fun. Bye.
Put this last little clip in. It's about 1:30 in the morning, and I'm still up editing. I try to do all of the editing at night, so I just have to get up in the morning and export it and upload it to YouTube, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. I hope you guys have a great day. Be kind to one another. Love from Columbus.